1 in TallyPrime Release 6.0 and later versions as per the GSTN mandate. From the gateway of Tally, press Alt plus J and type or select GSTR1. Scroll down to locate HSN Summary 12. Observe that the summary does not show separate breakups for B2B and B2C supplies. Press F11 to open the Company Features Alteration screen. Enable the Set Alter Company GST Rate and Other Details option to open the GST Rate and Other Details screen. Press Ctrl-I to open the More Details screen and select Show More. Select the option Separate B2B and B2C HSN Summary applicable from and press Enter. Enter the applicable from date as per GSTN notification. Enter 1st April 2025. Now, open the GSTR1 report. If there are no transactions for the selected period, no message will be displayed. If any transaction exists, a prompt appears asking to update the masters and transactions. Select Yes and continue. Scroll down to locate HSN Summary 12 B2B B2C supplies. Press Enter to drill down and see the HSN breakup into B2B and B2C supplies. Online upload will include B2B and B2C supplies breakup for HSN Summary. If you are exporting data, the new breakup will be included in the JSON file for GSTR1 filing. This breakup ensures compliance with the latest GSTN reporting requirements. Now that you know how to enable and view the HSN Summary breakup in TallyPrime Release 6.0 and later versions, you can ensure seamless GST compliance. Thank you. On any screen in TallyPrime, press Ctrl F1 to learn how to complete the task.